SB19 visa, headline sa Medium online publication na nakabase sa Pilipinas. Isang popular online tabloid na may headline na Visa by SB19, an anthem stamp denied and everything it means. Napapanahon, relevant na relevant. The promotional art sa SB19 visa was just a letter B with denied stamp. SB19 visa is not just song about travel documents. It is about protest, confession, awareness, identification of identity all at once. Talagang patama sa mga nangyayari ngayon sa mga travelers, lalo na pagdating sa immigration, may mga nangyayaring walang justice talaga. Minsan, ma-offload dahil sa walang klarong rason at dahilan. At nagbigay pa at sinama ang mensahe about sa detalye ng ating Philippine passport from 73, naging 66 na ito. Yan po ang pinaka-latest, number 66, powerful ang ating Philippine passport. Mountains of paperwork, yan ang requirements sa mga travelers na gusto magpunta sa Europe, lalo na sa Germany. Samantala, basahin ba natin ang laman ng articles mula sa Medium online publication or online tabloid na sinabi ni Pablo at Joss Colin about lyrics ng new song na Visa.
But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.